Best New Coupes of 2022 Part 2. Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Think of the 2022 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 kind of like a rolling theme park. Its monstrous 760 horsepower supercharged V8 launches the coupe with eye-watering force, and its immense grip causes sensations of euphoria or nausea or both. All the while its thrilling exhaust note provides the soundtrack, and a rapid shifting automatic transmission handles gear changes for the rear drive-only coupe. Chevy Camaro ZL1. The 2022 Chevy Camaro ZL1 isn't the most powerful muscle car, but when it comes to driver involvement and value for the performance, it's unbeatable. It's also on our 2022 Editor's Choice list. The Bowtie Boys stuff a 650 horsepower supercharged V8 between the ZL1's fenders and offer a satisfying manual transmission or a snappy 10-speed automatic. Sure, the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 packs a 760 horsepower V8 and its own incredible track capabilities, but it doesn't offer a stick shift or a convertible body style. Plus, unlocking the Shelby's full potential costs considerably more than the Camaro's transformative one-look package. Mercedes-AMG C43. Offered as a coupe and convertible, the 2022 Mercedes-AMG C43 provides a sports car attitude with luxury car accoutrements. It's on our Editor's Choice list, too. These two-door C43 models come standard with a 385 horsepower twin-turbo V6 that provides ample power and sounds fantastic. All-wheel drive is standard, and the C43's handling is razor-sharp. Unfortunately, the same can be said of its ride quality, which can be tortuous over rough stretches of road. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. There are sportier alternatives to the 2022 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, but fewer as seamlessly high-class and high-tech. While the behind-the-wheel experience isn't as exciting as that of its AMG tuned twin, the separately reviewed 429 horsepower E53, the regular E is subdued and serene. Its cabin is beautifully appointed, remarkably quiet, and fitted with flashy tech features such as the dual displays embedded in its dashboard. Mercedes-AMG E53. The 2022 Mercedes-AMG E53 doesn't compromise sportiness for luxuriousness, and vice versa, making it a complete and compelling machine. It also makes our 2022 Editor's Choice list. As with the regular Benz-branded E-Class, the enhanced by AMG E53 is available as a sedan, coupe, or cabriolet and boasts a beautifully appointed and well-equipped interior. Unique to this AMG twin trio is a rich-sounding turbocharged straight six-cylinder engine that pairs with an electric supercharger to produce an uninterrupted 429 horsepower. Teamed with a 9-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive, it's notably quick and capable in all four seasons. With a chassis that's successfully set up to both excite and soothe the senses, the 2022 E53 does a masterful job of being everything to almost everyone. Porsche 718 Cayman. Few cars, including other sports cars we love, offer the same purity of mission as the 2022 Porsche 718 Cayman. Its mid-engine arrangement and expertly tuned suspension give it a joyful driving demeanor that's truly addictive, and we again named it to our 2022 Editor's Choice list. Buyers can choose from a horizontally opposed 4- or 6-cylinder engine, the latter of which sings a siren song that encourages aggressive driving. Fans of open-air driving will find the 718 Boxster a similar experience, but we review that model separately. While the Cayman commands a price premium over rivals such as the Chevy Corvette and Toyota Supra, its focused persona and Porsche brand image are enough to justify the increased cost. Of course, its transcendent driving traits are what secure its spot on our 10 best list. The 718 Cayman's top GT4 and GT4 RS models gain Apple CarPlay. The rest of the lineup can now be ordered with ice gray metallic or Arctic gray paint. Apart from those small updates, the 718 Cayman lineup enters the new year with no other changes.